cool. And it's bouncy too. Fluffy guava juice slime. Whoa.
Let me try.
Is that big enough?
No.
No. Is this big enough?
No.
Hi guys, it's
Alynn and Paul.
And what are we doing today, buddy?
We're opening a yellow guava juice box. We don't know what's inside. Comment down below what's inside it.
That's right. We have no idea what theme this guava juice box is, so let's get on to the video so we can open it up. Zoop.
Zoop. Let's see what's inside.
All right, what box did we get?
Wait.
What? Art box? Whoa! It looks like this month's guava juice box is art themed. Dude, that box looks so cool and colorful. No peeking. No peeking at the toys.
No.
So colorful.
Yay, it worked. We opened the guava juice box.
What's inside? Ooh, our special rainbow card.
What does it say?
What's it say? Guava. Thank you for buying the guava juice box. I made this product with my love for all of you, and I hope
We
you
didn't write not fast so they can hear.
Be on the lookout for the next box because I will announce it on my channel.
Oh, let's get some.
Look at all of these rainbow things inside the guava juice box. That is awesome. Okay, Paul, pick out the first item. Ooh, what is that, buddy?
A guava juice box.
Another guava juice figurine. Ooh, can you open him? I love all of the rainbow theme.
It's like pink fluffy guava juice dancing rainbows.
Oh yeah, use those teeth. What does he look like? Oh my goodness!
Rainbow hair, look!
He kind of looks like Albert Glofstein Rainbow Edition. They're twins.
It's like, he's like, ah, you know, and the same as like, ah, there's two of us, ah, and then the other one's running away because it looks like it's the same.
That's awesome.
Jump scared. It's like he jump scared him.
It's like, poof, Albert Glofstein did an experiment and poof, he got a rainbow. Do you know what his name is, Paul? Artist Roy.
It sounds like a real owl.
Hey kids, I'm Artist Roy. Make sure you give this video a big thumbs up. Hey Paul, can you pick out the next item?
Yes.
Okay. What is this rainbow creation thing? It's so mysterious. What is it? We don't need instructions. We didn't even know what it is. Bouncy ball creator? You get to make your very own bouncy ball, Paul.
I know.
Oh, that looks fun. Should we try it?
You want to make like a lot of bouncy balls?
Yeah, let's make a bouncy ball. Step 1, snap the bouncy ball mold.
A lot of bouncy balls.
What other? Yeah, okay.
You give me a pink video.
Okay, another. This bouncy ball is gonna be rainbow, just
And
like
pink
Roy.
and green.
Okay, Paul. So the next step to this art project is to dip the ball in water. Do you think it's gonna work?
Yes.
Yeah. Countdown, buddy.
1, 2, 3.
Here we go. We have to hold it for 90 seconds. Whoa! Look it. It's enlarging. It's like a magnifying glass.
That's what's happening. We're gonna Alan, we're gonna talk.
Okay, we have to wait for
90, 70, 18, 19, 21. Yay! We're done with the 90 seconds.
So our ball is all done getting submerged in the water, and now we just need to wait for it to dry. So let's open another thing in the guava juice box. Okay, Paul, pick the next item. Oh, which one do you want? That one? That looks very fun. What is this? Spiral art kit. Have you ever done spiral art before, Paul?
No.
It's really fun. I think you're gonna like it. Ready, set, tra-la-la.
Coloring pen.
Oh my goodness. Your very own multicolored guava juice pen. That is sweet, dude. Whoa, okay, this is gonna be
Look
fun.
at Granny cogs.
Here come the granny cogs.
Never pen.
Then you go around the circle. And keep going around, because it makes a cool creation. And then you can switch colors.
I want to make a green one now.
Have you guys ever done spiral art before? Let us know in the comments down below. Wow, Paul, you're a spiral art pro.
They're coming out.
Ooh, that looks cool, buddy. I'm in a hurry to see what that bouncy ball looks like. So maybe if we snap, my picture will be done. Wow, I love it.
Let's open the thing.
You want to check out what the bouncy ball looks like?
I want to open it.
Okay, I can already tell that it expanded, buddy. Ooh, I'm excited to see if it actually works. Oh, it's so rainbow. Look at that bouncy ball. Does it bounce? Oh yeah, it does. What's it feel like, buddy? That is so cool.
Hey, don't get ball.
You can play soccer.
Let's play.
Look how rainbow and awesome this bouncy ball is.
Look at Alan.
It is so colorful. And it's bouncy too.
Look at. I'm a gold juice painting behind her.
Pick the next item, Paul. Ooh, what's that?
Slime.
Slime? Ooh. It looks like we got some fluffy guava green slime. You want to test it out, buddy? Paul has made a lot of slime before, and he is definitely going to be able to rate this to see if it's the best. Here you go, buddy.
Oh.
Oh. Fluffy guava juice slime. Oh. What is he thinking? Oh, how does that slime feel, buddy?
Good.
Good? Is it stretchy?
Oh, watch this.
Oh no! Has anybody seen Artist Roy? Oh, there he is!
Ah, a big stuck is mud slime. I can't move.
Whoa!
Let me try. I want to try.
For some reason, it feels like silly string slime. It has the texture of silly string. It's awesome. This is the most perfect slime ever. Oh, Paul's trying to make a really long line.
I like that.
Ready? Let's see if it turned into a slime ball. Oh yeah!
Oh yeah!
Which bouncy ball's better?
This is what you get.
Let us know in the comments down below if you like the fluffy slime ball better or the rainbow bouncy ball. Vote A or B. Which one do you like, buddy? B? He likes B for bouncy ball. I like the slime ball. Time to select the last item. What is that? What is that, buddy? Is that what I think it is? A guava juice wubble bubble? No way! You've always wanted a wubble bubble, huh, buddy? Should we blow it up? Yeah? Let's test this thing out. Okay, so we have our giant wubble bubble and our pump, and we're gonna, oh, he's got slime hair. And we're going to inflate this thing and see how big it really gets.
Slime. Can you try to blow the slime up? Do it. No, do it.
Really work? Okay.
Oh.
Hey, Paul, give me a countdown for the wubble.
1, 2, 3.
Is that big enough?
No.
No. Is that big enough? No. Is this big enough?
No. It's almost room.
Oh my goodness, Paul, look at the wobble.
It's Tyler,
It's humongous. This is awesome.
Let's go. This is the end of the video.
We have a green bubble. Look how bouncy this wobble bubble is. What do you think about it, Paul?
It's fun. It's cool.
It's ginormous. You want to throw it to me?
Yeah.
Oh. Oh. Ah! Oh, it's bouncing on our heads. Can you see me through the wobble?
You like this?
Yeah, it's so funny.
Well, guys, thank you so much for watching this video. If you liked it, give it a big thumbs up. And let us know in the comments down below what item was your favorite. Mine was definitely the wobble.
Or comment down below you want us to blow it outside super giant into the sky.
Should we do another challenge with the wobble bubble?
And then subscribe.
Yeah? So I guess you guys need to hit that red subscribe button to see another challenge with this wobble bubble maybe.
And hit that bell.
Hit the bell too. Ding-a-ling, ding-a-ling. Bye, guys.
And hit the bell because that gets the best thing in the whole world. That does something.
It gives you notifications. Bye, guys.
Wobble bubble.